Ooh, she sent me some merch. A couple business cards. My receipt. That won't work there. That's her head. That's her body. I need a knife. That's open. That's her head. Oh! Oh, her big fluffy mane. Get the freaking hair out. Why did she stuff it in her head? There's so much in there. I like it. She didn't change any of the fur length, which is good. The lining's in there pretty solid and pretty nice. Okay, now for the body, the important part. That's a leg, that's a leg. Dryer sheet. Yeah, much better. So farther up, though her padding's a little sad. Or is it even in here? No, it's in here all right. Okay. Chest padding. Ooh, they gave her actual boobs. Damn it. Is this high enough up? I get this to sit. Come on. This will have to do. Work. Oh my god, she's cold. So cold. Ooh. I think she put a lining in this too, because this is soft. I'm not gonna put her tail on. Arms still fit, that's good. She didn't change any of that. She did change the zipper though.